So, how do you view the statistics of the game in Age of Mythology? Now, here I just played a game against a bot, and here there are the most important parts, like the bigger army or how many upgrades and so on. But if you want something more detailed, here there is the same graph like this with a few additions. But if you want something more detailed, there is the evolution. This is the military resources, or here you can change in anything you want. For example, civil units, who had the most civilian units, all the points, wood, whatever you want. And here you can find the detailed statistics for many situations. For example, in the economy, I won with everything. I had more of everything in the game. For the war, he actually killed more units than I did, because I just kept creating units and send them without really thinking too much about it. And he was playing like defending himself, so he had a lot of buildings that shoot arrows against my units, so he had a lot of kills. And yes, this is how you get detailed. You can do a detailed analysis of your game by looking at these graphs. You will have a good analysis of your game. I hope you like this video. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and see you next time.